What's up and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So I'm so excited because today we're going to be talking about the brand new Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip Kit for fall 2018. Got it right here. And it's so freaking cute. Get ready, okay? So Sephora has done this type of thing before with like their little sampler collections, and I've never really been interested enough to go out and get it before, but this one caught my eye and I just knew I had to get it. I mean, you guys know, anything blush pink, I can't say no. Slight obsession, slight obsession. So first things first with this little kit, I want to talk about the packaging. So yes, I love the blush pink color. I'm not so obsessed with the rest of the packaging. I mean, there's like literally tape just hanging off the whole top of it. I don't understand what that is. I assume that other ones don't come like that, but why is there tape just all over my packaging? I don't understand. But besides that little tape weirdness, just the whole entire thing kind of feels a little cheapy to me. It's like this little cardboard carton. I expected it to be much bigger from the pictures I saw online. On the back, they have like a little ingredients packet, so you can lift this up. It shows you the ingredients in all the lip products they have. And it's just, I don't know, it's like paper hanging off it. It's just kind of messy, kind of cheapy feeling. I'm not really a fan of the packaging, but it's what's on the inside that matters. So we're gonna hold off judgment on the packaging alone because, you know, it's not too cute. I mean, also, I didn't even mention this, but the lipsticks are literally loose inside. It's not being held up by like cardboard or anything. It's just, I mean, I don't want to break them, but they just didn't fall right out. Come on. Oh, but at least there's some confetti. Ooh. Yeah, so not quite sure about this packaging. Let's get to the lip products, okay? Okay, so here we have the lip products that come in the little kit. We have 5 different lip products. Ugh, I'm trying to hold them all without dropping. It's not working. So it comes with, as you can see here, I'm balancing it so delicately. It comes with 5 lip products, 3 minis, or I would call them like deluxe samples. If you've ever gotten like the free gift with $25 purchase from Sephora, like this is the size of those. I've gotten many of these like deluxe samples before and I'm still using them. I haven't run out of any of them so far. They definitely last a really long time. And then of course you're getting 2 full-size products. So you are getting a whole bunch of product in this little kit. We're getting all 5 lip products for only $28. Sorry, I have to check the box. $28, yes, that's correct. That's insane that you're getting 2 full-size products. I mean, usually 1 lip product is around $28, so okay. 2 full-size products, and then in addition to that, the 3 like deluxe samples. I mean, the little sticker on the box is that this is a $72 value. Paying $28 for something that's worth $72. I'm not so good at math, but even I know that's an amazing deal. And what I really love about this collection is the mix of colors and formulas. You're gonna see in a second when I do the try-on swatches, but you're getting, even though they're all nudes, you're getting a really good range of colors. You're getting some pink, some beige, some brown. And in terms of formula, you're also getting a really good mix there. You're getting cream lipstick, a gloss, and then 3 matte liquid lipsticks. So if you've never really tried out the matte liquid lipstick trend, this is a great way to get into it because you're getting 3 different shades. And then on the other side, if you're really obsessed with your matte liquid lipsticks, this is a good chance to like go back and try out a nice gloss and a nice cream and see, you know, what hydration feels like. So it's a good mix for everyone, I'd say. I want to keep this nice and short, but I'm already rambling, of course. So I feel like we should just get right into the swatches so you can see what these little lip products look like on the lips. And roll. So those were the 5 colors swatched on my lips for you to see. Aren't they like so freaking gorgeous? I'm honestly obsessed with this little collection. There are a few shades in there that I probably have like exact dupes for. There were definitely some that were more out of my comfort zone. Like some of the really pale nudes, I kind of stay away from those because I'm so pale. Like I feel like they'll look so creepy, and I was definitely creeped out right when I put them on, but then I kind of got used to it. I started to feel it, as you saw. And then also this one. This one's the Huda Beauty Trendsetter. I've never tried Huda Beauty. I love the formula and I love this color. It's like kind of like orangey brown. I really am digging this. I love how this kit kind of like pushed me out of my comfort zone. Since they were all in like the nudes range, it kind of felt comfortable enough to try, but there were a few surprises in there, which I kind of liked. So cool, 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 cool. One quick note about formula I just want to mention right now. There was one that was not as comfortable on the lips as the other ones, and it's actually really interesting because this isn't one of the matte liquid lipsticks. It's actually the cream lipstick, the one from Tarte. It went on, I don't know, it felt kind of weird on my lips. It's interesting because the line of lipsticks has the word hydrating in it. It's the Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Hydrating Lipstick, and it really didn't feel that hydrating. It kind of felt a little draggy, more like how you would expect a matte to feel. So that was definitely interesting. It was still like comfortable enough, like I would wear this again, but compared to the other ones that were really just so smooth and comfortable on the lips, this was like the loser of the bunch. But really, they were all fantastic colors. And for $28, getting 5, including 2 full size, I mean, come on. You gotta run out and get this. Order it online. Do something before it's gone, because this is a limited edition collection. This isn't gonna be around forever, so definitely jump on that. And yep, I think that kind of wraps up everything I wanted to say about this little lip kit collection we got right here. I really am such a big fan. Would definitely recommend it. I feel like this is just such a great way to try out different brands, different formulas, different colors. A+ Sephora, you killed it on this little give me some nude lip kit collection. Definitely digging it. Now, if you enjoyed this little review and swatches video, make sure you leave a big thumbs up on this video because it helps me out, and it's a nice thing to do. So go hit that like button. And of course, while you're down there, I'm inviting you to join the ByStephieNics fam. All you gotta do is hit the big red subscribe button, and if you click the little notification bell right next to it, you're gonna be notified of all my future videos, which you definitely wanna do because we have fun here. We would love to have you. It's a great time, so go click the buttons. Hit all the buttons. Leave a comment down below which lip product you liked the best. Was it the Buxom? Was it the Makeup Forever? Was it the Tarte? Was it the Stila? Was it the Huda Beauty? I remembered all 5 brands. Are you impressed? Yeah. Just go leave me a comment which one you liked the best, and just tell me you're really impressed that I remembered all those brands. There were a lot of them, so go give me props, okay? Thanks so much for watching. I really hope this helped you guys out in making a decision whether to purchase this kit or not. Hint, hint, you should. And as always, this was ByStephieNics. Bye.